Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you already did, then welcome back. Guess what's under this chair right here. Today I'm just gonna do a short video on what I did. Can you get what it is? Can you guess what it is? Let me show you. Boom. See that? So last time when I did the side mount for the helmet is a disaster. The video I took wasn't that great, so I decided to change the mount into the chin mount, and it looked really good. So I'll probably do later on, or if I have time, I'll probably gonna do a video with this mount on and see how it goes. But it looked great. As you can see, the mount I put it here. This the safety for the camera, and the mount was right here. So this is the main one. So you got to go all the way in the front, and it looked really good on the helmet, as you can see. And like I said, this is gonna be just a short video on the mount itself. And remember last time I bought this for $11 on Amazon, and the way is hooked up on the helmet look great, as you can see. And of course this only fit on the full face helmet. It's not gonna work on the half face. So but you know, it's have been raining for a couple of days already, so as you can see, on the floor is still the wet spot is still there. But today, sunny sky, sunny blue sky, everything looked great. And I don't know, I might took a ride today, but the weather is still a little bit cold since, you know, it's a winter season. But overall, now let's get back to the helmet mount. Overall, this looks great. So $11 is worth it for me. So I'm just show you what's the mount look like. And if you like to do video, writing video, then this is something you might consider buying or getting. So yeah, the only recommendation I think you should do is when you install this mount is make sure you have like a hot or heat gun, or use something that heating the pad first before you put it in, so just so it stick better. And that's it. Overall, it looked great. Look great on a helmet. And it worked. Hopefully it worked better than the side mount that I installed for my other helmet last time. So there you go. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video, and just gonna show you guys how I did the installation on the mount. And it looked great. See, as you can see, it looked wonderful. Anyway, it's Christmas season, so if you're watching this video, I hope you have a happy and a safe Christmas and a happy new year. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.